Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix BMW key remote only ways. Start by removing the emergency key and opening the fob carefully with a plastic pry tool. Replace the CR2032 battery with a fresh one and ensure orientation is correct. Clean the battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab, then reassemble and test functions before reprogramming if needed. In this video, I will show how to fix BMW key remote only ways. Gently remove the back cover and lift the old battery using a plastic pick, avoiding metal tools. Place the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up and press seating points until snug. Reattach the cover and test buttons to verify immediate response, then perform a range check by walking away and pressing lock and unlock. In this video, I will show how to fix BMW key remote only ways. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great while you fix the fob. It's a small, cheap upgrade that makes the job more pleasant. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to fix BMW key remote only ways. Sit in the car and close all doors, then insert and remove the key from the ignition to wake the system. Press and hold the remote lock button while cycling the ignition to complete a basic resynchronization. Confirm successful pairing by testing both lock and unlock from a distance of several meters, and repeat if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.